to talk now.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're playing Murder Mystery. Hope you like our other video. If you haven't watched it, go check it out.
And Mia, you're stuck.
Yeah, I'm stuck.
Do you see emotes on the bottom? Do cheer.
Can you help me? Can you please help me?
Yeah, but do you see emotes on the bottom? Click on it and press cheer. Oh shoot, the murderer. Press cheer. The murderer is coming for us.
It's not doing anything.
Keep on doing it. Cheer.
It's not working.
Do dance 2 or dance 1. Do all of them. Yes, you're down. I brought you down. Come on, let's go. The murderer's coming. Let's go underground.
Let's go, let's go.
Underground.
Okay. I know a really good spot.
The television. I know. The murderer's here. Run! Oh shoot. I know. Oh shoot. I'm scared,
He was
guys.
here?
What?
He was here?
Murder's coming. I hear it. I hear him or her.
Oh my gosh, this is so scary.
I know. It's like the whole.
Okay, I'm gonna take a risk and go out.
No. That's the murder. That's the murder for sure. Gotta get a coin.
Bye, see you later.
Go sacrifice yourself. Go sacrifice yourself. I'm coming with you. I'm a big, brave, buff girl. Oh shit, that's scary. Ah! That's the murder! Mia, run.
Help, help, help.
Where is it? Where is he? Where is he?
Oh man, I died.
You died? I'm just collecting coins here.
Yeah.
Cause
I'll
there's...
spectate him and I'll tell you where
Oh my god, he killed me! That was a jump scare!
Really? He killed you?
Yeah, I was collecting coins. I was like, ah! Mia. Hey Mia. Hey Mia. Hey.
Guys, we're gonna do a face reveal in
100 subscribers.
Subs. I already did a face reveal, but she's gonna do one. If we get 100 subs.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta rank up to level 10. Woo! I'm gonna push you off that person's head.
No, you know my other account, I'm level 800. No, I'm level, sorry, not 800, 800, but I'm level 18.
Nice. I wish I could have a rabbit.
What?
I wish I could have a pet pig in the game and I would call it Peppa.
That would be funny. It will also be terrifying.
They see me rolling, they hate it. I'm gonna choose and studio.
Do a mansion.
No. And studio.
Maya, let's do mansion. Guys, do you know,
Shush! No!
our first video? What?
Don't tell them about my nickname.
Our first video, was actually really, really bad, and you can, like, really hear me, but our Lumi Lexi, you can kind of hear me, but now I think this one's gonna be way better.
Yeah, because right now we got a new mic. I hope you could hear her better.
Yeah.
Whoa, I really like N Studio. There's like parkour and you could parkour away from the
Oh my
murder.
gosh, I'm Sheriff.
You're sheriff? Okay, I'll help you. I'm innocent.
Yeah.
Oh shoot! Blonde girl! It's blonde girl! Come! Mia, freaking your twin is! Mia, why aren't you listening?
What?
Mia?
Oh, I see her. I see her.
No, not her, not the pink hair. The girl with the same hair as you.
I saw her like 5 minutes ago.
She's a girl. She has. Okay, she just passed you. She's right there. She's right there. She has white skin. She has the same face as us. She has pink pants and same hair as you and blue pants. I meant pink pants. Pink pants, blue shirt, same face as us, and blonde hair. And white skin.
Okay.
Oh my god. She's right there! Maybe I freaking showed her already! She's gonna kill that girl. She's coming up! She's coming up! Bah! You die! I told you.
No, no! Get the gun, get the gun.
I got it! She She killed me.
She killed you?
Yeah!
Oh, why?
We suck at murder mystery.
Yeah,
But I don't suck at parkour.
Just to make you guys know, we are very, very, very bad at murder mystery.
But I'm not that bad at parkour.
Oh, I'm horrible.
Well, okay, maybe I'm kind of bad. So yeah, I'm just doing some parkour right now. Man on the rock.
I'm actually kind of following you now.
Nice. Just jumping
Wait, you
everywhere.
can do parkour, look.
Did you leave the game? I know. Oh my god.
I can't do it.
You can do it from here. Jump on the box and jump here. And then jump on the rock, jump on the bush, and then jump on the box, jump on the roof, jump on the rock, jump on the bush, jump on the box, jump on the roof. Oh, I'm gonna jump on the wall with you. Oh, the game started. Oh, the sheriff one. Boom, boom, boom. Be right
No,
back,
that's the
guys.
hero, not the sheriff. I was the sheriff. I didn't win. Look at me, Joy. Joy, look at me. Oh, sorry, I called you by your nickname. Maya. Maya, look at me. Maya.
Be right back, guys.
I hope you guys liked our other videos. And hope you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And tell us down below if we
What's up, people? I'm back.
Next.
I'm back.
What?
I'm back and I'm innocent.
Maya, I'm sheriff.
Again?
Yeah. Even though I'm horrible at being sheriff.
This guy's following me. I'm scared.
What?
This guy's following me. I'm scared. I'm scarred.
Run away from him.
He's following me. Or not. I don't know where he is.
Go.
I don't know where he is now. Jump off.
Oh my gosh, I see you.
Someone died. Someone died from the first floor. I meant second floor. Just go and collect some coins. Ooh, don't kill me, girl. I'm gonna get up here. What the heck? Why do I keep on getting messages? I ain't no slut. Oh, shoot.
I died.
No, because you shot the wrong person, you idiot. Why would you do that?
I'm really bad.
Don't be holding out your screen and be like, I'm gonna shoot this person and you're...
How much more minutes?
We have like 5 minutes to record, guys.
Okay.
And oop. So guys, this is Visco girl language. Means it means like you're laughing, and oop means like you did a mistake or you're like doing something like really funny, but you're hurting someone and you go like, oh my god, but instead you're going like and oop and oop and Like, oh my god, I did a mistake. Now, oops. But guys, we're not Visco girls. We're just joining in the trend. Oh, shoot, everybody's dead.
Maya, when you die, try to find me, because I have a really, really, really good hiding spot.
Okay, yeah, sure. Coin
And
back.
guys, you know, when I call her Joy, which is her nickname, she really, really hates it, so she calls herself Maya, which is her actual name.
Yeah, and I just delete the video that we're doing. I'm like, what the fuck? What the fudge?
Joy, because that's her nickname, so, yeah.
Like, stop calling me that. Like, stop.
So,
okay, I'm gonna try to find you.
Every single time I call her Joy, just ignore that, okay?
I'm trying to find you.
Maya, try to find me.
Oh, I see you.
No, you don't.
How do you know? Since you're hiding away.
No. No, you don't. You don't see me.
Wait, are you here?
No way. You don't see.
Wait, no, cause you left the game. Oh, wait, you're not left. You didn't leave the game.
I was here all along and you never knew.
Okay, what are you?
Huh? Innocent.
Murderer.
Inno.
I'm
murderer. Let's team up.
Yeah.
Can we team up?
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, well.
Don't kill me.
Well, I'm just gonna play around like I'm Inno. Yuta! Nobody saw that.
That's so funny. It's like the second you say, I'm just gonna pretend.
Yuta! Yuta!
Die!
Die! Yuta. Come on, da.
If you kill the sheriff, I'll take the gun so that nobody takes it.
Yeah, and then we win together. No, yo, die already! Yo, die.
No, I have to follow you, remember?
Yeah. Okay, I killed that guy. Come on.
So
I can follow your trails. I can follow someone's footsteps. So I can.
Yeah.
So let me see if I can find anyone's footsteps.
What color is mine?
Light pink. Oh, that was the sheriff! Get her gun! Get her gun! Get her gun, Mia! Get her freaking gun! Come up! Outside! Who? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, you got the gun safety.
Kill everybody! Kill everybody!
Yeah, nobody can stop me now. Only the timer can stop me. One and a oop. Oh, I see a girl. I see a girl. I see a girl. What if I? Come on, girl. You might scare me. Okay, let me follow your footsteps. Oh no, the video's gonna end in 2 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Like and subscribe. Put on notification bells.
Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you haven't checked out our last video, go check it out right now. Bye.
And please put your notification on so that you can see it every video and comment what game you want us to play the next video. But the next video we're gonna play like Lumiere Legacy Part 2. So bye.